Boom. All right, what's going on, you guys? It's Royce Jacob. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Waves News, a series where we cover recent news and current events that I believe will impact the markets. These episodes are meant to be more chill, so sit back and grab yourself a drink. Right now, I am currently drinking Celsius tropical twist flavor. So cheers to the weekend, you guys. We are going to have a big week ahead of us. We close out the week with a bang, and I'm confident that there are going to be more waves with the dollar sign ahead for the Waves fam. So cheers to that, you guys. Hope you all have a great weekend. Let's get into it after we take a sip of our drink, and then we'll go over the topics. All right, so cheers. Always pinkies up. All right, so in front of us, we just have CoinMarketCap. I'll just kind of reference back here. Just take a general look at the crypto market, primarily at the top view. I would say primarily just Bitcoin and Ethereum as we go over these articles. Just want to say right off the bat that I am recording this on Friday afternoon. It's about 3 p.m. Hawaii time. So maybe by the time I upload this tomorrow, we will see 50K. I mean, we're at 49K right now, you guys. Feels good to see that 50K. We were calling it earlier this week that a 50K was inbound, a 50K BTC was inbound for the weekend ahead, and it looks like we're going to see that. You guys see that chart right here. That looks beautiful. So by the time you guys watch this, would not be surprised if we're seeing a 50K Bitcoin. So once again, cheers to that, and go crack open a big wave right after this if we do see 50K. Just want to let you guys know right now that I also will be hopping into the Discord channel as soon as we hit 50K. I got to figure out how to set an alarm for that, but as soon as we hit 50K, we'll have a little celebration, a little live Q&A. Just talk shop, not Q&A, but I mean, if you guys want to ask questions, you can. But just hop into the Discord, talk shop with you guys. YouTube 25 if you want $25 off the Discord. First link down below. For some reason, you're not in there already, but again, you guys, cheers to the 50K that, again, may be here by the time you guys are watching this video. Again, we're at 49K. I wouldn't be surprised if by the time I end this video, maybe we're at 50K. We'll check back at the end, okay? Because we do have a few things to read over. Let's just quickly go over the topics, and yeah, then we'll dive in, okay? So first things first, Coinbase is buying $500 million in crypto and investing future profits into a crypto portfolio. Huge news. As we read through this, you guys will understand why I'm increasingly bullish on Ethereum. You guys know I'm a bull on Ethereum, more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin, and why I'm increasingly bullish on Coinbase. If you guys just watched the video I posted a couple of days ago, talking about how right now at a $50 billion valuation at Coinbase or Coinstock's current price, I'm a huge fan. Technicals look great if you guys watch that. Again, super bullish on Coinbase. Closed out the week. Coinbase, I think, closed the day on Friday up like 4%, which is pretty light considering this is a big move by Coinbase, especially when it comes to just to where they're heading in terms of adapting their balance sheet to. I mean, if anyone is putting crypto on their balance sheet, it makes sense that it's Coinbase. So we'll read through this. This is huge, not only for Coinbase and the company and the stock, but the crypto market as a whole, and just a sign of the times and where public companies are heading, are moving into the future in terms of how they allocate their assets, how they allocate the worth of their company on their balance sheet, okay? So huge news here. We'll read through this. The second article we're going to be taking a look at: Robinhood revenue doubles last quarter, but stock drops 8% after app warrants trading is slowing. So Robinhood, kind of in the same boat as Coinbase. I will keep saying this over and over again. Coinbase and Robinhood, in my opinion, are the next generation of the Googles, of the Amazons, of the Facebook, the unicorns, the companies that started small. I mean, when you talk about Apple, Amazon, at $50 billion, I mean, those companies were definitely once at $50 billion. Now look at them. Multi-trillion-dollar companies, okay? So Robinhood, Coinbase, I do truly believe, and of course I could be wrong, of course this will take time, but I believe Robinhood and Coinbase are that next generation. They're the next Mount Rushmore of the FANGs, of the potential trillion-dollar companies one day, just based on their cultural relevance and the ability that they've accumulated mass audience in the financial markets. They've accumulated paying users in the financial landscape, which is only going to continue to grow, and that's extremely bullish for both these stocks. But again, dropped 8% on earnings. I was pumped. I picked some up. Shout out to the portfolio group. You guys know that on this little dump, you could say, yeah, on this massive pullback we saw on Thursday, I think, I picked up a little baggie of Robinhood, okay? Because once again, I believe in this company long-term, similar to Coinbase. And yeah, very bullish, although these earnings scared investors a little bit. Let those paper hands just drop all the stocks and put them into my hands, okay? So we will cover this again, just talk to you guys even more about why I'm so damn bullish on Robinhood. And yeah, then we'll move on to Bitcoin once again. So second largest U.S. mortgage lender will accept payment in Bitcoin. This is huge, you guys. This is just, again, another sign of the times, another sign of the direction that the world is heading, that big institutional players are heading. The second largest U.S. mortgage lender. That's a big deal. That's a lot of capital that flows through this company. And the fact that they're now accepting Bitcoin and looking into Ethereum, as we'll read, is hyper bullish. And again, it's just a sign that crypto is here to stay. Crypto's not going anywhere. We're still in the early innings, not in the first inning anymore, but we are still in the early innings. We still have a long way to go in terms of institutional adoption and infrastructure that is being built around Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, DeFi, et cetera, okay? So those are the articles we're going to read through. Again, we'll reference back to CoinMarketCap at the very end of the video. See if by some miracle, wouldn't even be a miracle. Again, we just have to skip another 2%. Very possible. We all know it's possible in Bitcoin's terms, but we'll check this out at the end of the video after reading through these articles. As always, though, before we do, you guys, please give the video a like if you do go on to gain value from it. If you appreciate it, I'm not monetizing the Waves Weekly videos. Usually because I was going to drink a beer, but I've decided just to not monetize these, just make them super chill. There's no point in monetizing them anyway. I don't really make anything off of these videos anymore. But again, appreciate it if you guys give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, want to catch more content like this, and of course, check out my complete portfolio daily newsletter. That's the real way to support me, you guys. I do my best to make this as worth it for you can. I personally believe it's definitely worth $15 a month or $40 for every 3 months, up to you. If you guys don't know what this is, I plug it every video, but if for some reason you don't, complete breakdown of my entire personal portfolio, all call options, all put options, all stock positions, all cryptocurrency positions, of course, that I do update every single trading day during market hours. And along with every update, I send out a complimentary, comprehensive email newsletter rationalizing my thoughts, explaining my trades, and just throwing in any information or charts or price targets that I feel are relevant to share with you guys at that point in time. Once again, during market hours, every trading day. First link down below, 15 bones a month, or once again, $40 every 3 months. And on top of that, you guys do get the exclusive Sunday stock watch that I will be releasing tomorrow and every other Sunday from here on. Same as they've always been, same old Sunday stock watches. But now I just record the video, make it private on YouTube, and I send out the private link through the email newsletter. So you have to be on the newsletter list to get the Sunday stock watch private link. Okay. So again, doing my best to make this as worth it for you guys as you can. $15 a month, 40 every 3. Once again, first link down below. Appreciate it much if you guys check that out, but if not, no worries at all. Let's dive into this first article. All right, so key points. CEO Brian Armstrong said he hopes to operate more with the company's operations using crypto through its mix today. The company plans to invest in Ethereum, proof-of-stake assets, DeFi tokens, and many other crypto assets supported for trading on our platform, Finance Chief Alessia Haas said in a blog post. So yeah, we'll read through this a little more, and I'll talk to you guys about why Ethereum is still at the top of my crypto list. Very basic, I know, but little flex. Bought Ethereum at like $36. Okay, so still hold a lot of that, and you guys, I'm still buying to this day. Not to this day, but you guys know a couple months ago, I was big on buying a lot of Ethereum back. Okay, Coinbase will buy $500 million in crypto on its balance sheet and allocate 10% of its quarterly profits into a crypto assets portfolio, company executives announced late Thursday. The company plans to invest in Ethereum, proof-of-stake assets, DeFi tokens, and many other crypto assets supported for trading on our platform, becoming the first public company to do so, Finance Chief Alessia Haas said in a blog post. So again, MicroStrategy, Maro, many public companies at this point, Tesla even at one point, held Bitcoin on their balance sheet. But Coinbase would be the first company to throw on Ethereum, proof-of-stake assets, again, lending assets that earn interest on top of that. I don't know why more companies aren't doing this. It's so obvious at this point. DeFi tokens and many other crypto assets supported for trading on our platform. BlockFi.com/Royce. If you guys aren't using BlockFi, what are you doing? I didn't even think about it. Literally didn't cross my mind until I read this, that I should shout out BlockFi. BlockFi.com/Royce. I'll throw the link down below. You deposit in BlockFi, have your crypto make you even more money than what it is an investment. Okay, BlockFi, put it in an interest account. I have a lot of my crypto in BlockFi, just straight up. Why not have your crypto earn interest instead of, I don't know. I mean, why just keep your crypto in a cold wallet which I do hold some crypto in a cold wallet, of course, but why just keep all your crypto in one place, not earning interest, when you can keep a bunch of it in an interest account, earning like 6% plus interest, okay? APY. So I'll link that down below. You guys get like up to $250 in free crypto. I think you got to do like 10K. So 10K, you get 250. 5K, you get like 125 in free crypto. But regardless, you get some free crypto. I get some free crypto. BlockFi.com/Royce. Once again, I'll link that down below. But again, Ethereum. This is what increasingly makes me bullish on Ethereum. The fact that Coinbase is choosing to invest in Ethereum. Again, Ethereum longer term will definitely have more benefits in terms of, again, lending, staking. Once we get to proof of stake, holding Ethereum on your balance sheet will longer term, in my opinion at least, and I feel like this is definitely going to be true, is going to have a lot more long-term potential from a lucrative perspective when a large company, especially at scale, is holding it on their balance sheet, okay? So CEO Brian Armstrong first revealed the brokerage's plan in an earlier tweet, saying he expects the allocation to grow as the market matures. He also indicated the company's ambition to diversify its crypto services and operations, which mostly center around trading. Quote, this is a tweet, and then we'll just move on to Robinhood, okay? We recently received board approval to purchase over $500 million of crypto on our balance sheet to add our existing holdings, and we'll be investing 10% of all profits going forward into crypto. I expect this percentage to keep growing over time as the crypto economy, matures. Okay, so Brian Armstrong, obviously visionary. If Coinbase is on the Mount Rushmore, if Coinbase is the next generation of great companies, Brian Armstrong is of the next generation. He is right now, but like he's like the next Bezos. I mean, look at him. The guy he's like Bezos Musk put together. Okay. I mean, not really Musk, more Bezos just because of the bald head. But again, shout out Brian Armstrong, amazing operator, amazing CEO. I have listened to a few podcasts with him. Great dude. Obviously, he's built one of the most successful, if not the single most successful, cryptocurrency-based company in the entire world. And again, this is a generational company, has staying power, and I don't think Coinbase or Brian Armstrong is going anywhere for a very long time. Okay, so shout out Brian Armstrong, shout out Coinbase. Big things here, big things moving forward. And shout out Ethereum as well. Where are we at? 49? All right, come on. Let's see another 2%, baby. Let's read through these slow. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to read through these slow, but I mean, it would be sick if by the end of the video we see 50K. And now I'm even more confident than I was at the beginning of the video that we're going to see 50K by the time you guys watch this, okay? So cheers to that once again. I'll lube up the throat a little bit before reading through this. Celsius is fire. Let me know down below if you guys have drank Celsius. I mean, I've been drinking it for a while, but I mean, at this point, I've tried every flavor. This is a good one. Tropical Twist is a basic one, but it's fire. Okay, the peach one. Dude, the limited edition peach one. Let me know if you guys have tried that one. That one's so good. Okay. Anyway, let me know what you guys are drinking. I don't think I even said in the beginning. Let me know down below what you guys are drinking right now, okay? So, again, if it's alcoholic, dude, cheers to that. I'm going to pop a big wave or pop some tequila right after this, okay? So, Robinhood revenue doubles last quarter, but stock drops 8% after app warns trading is slowing. Robinhood's revenue more than doubled in the second quarter to $565 million, bolstered by a massive surge in crypto trading. The stock trading app said in its first earnings report as a public company on Wednesday, but the shares dove in the company. The shares dove in after hours. The company warned us. What the heck? But the shares went down in after hours after the company warned a slowdown in trading activity would hit revenues in the current quarter. Investors may also be concerned whether volatile crypto can continue to provide such a tailwind. Robinhood was last down more than 8%. Yeah, it got smoked. It was down like 11% on Thursday. Revenue surged more than 131% in the period from $244 million a year ago and was near the high range of the company's forecast of $546 million to $574 million. Revenue from crypto trading totaled $233 million, more than half of the transaction-based revenue of $451 million for the second quarter. So that's crazy, you guys. Cryptocurrency share of revenue jumped more than 51% from 17% in the first quarter. More than 60% of cumulative net funded accounts traded crypto in the quarter. In the second quarter of 2020, crypto-based revenue was just $5 million. Okay, so it does not go into this article. I just kind of wanted to give you guys the cliff notes of this earnings call, but I believe the majority of that crypto revenue, which again was half of the trading-based revenue, was over half. I'm sorry. Wait, let's go back down to these stats one more time. Was 51%. So cryptocurrency was 51% of overall trading revenue. Okay, and I believe like 80% of that. I think like 80% of that or something was Dogecoin. So the reason investors were very turned off by this is because the majority of Robinhood's revenue, pretty much period, like the single biggest driver of Robinhood's revenue, definitely trading-based revenue. Again, they have like subscription products and stuff, the gold accounts, but the far majority of their trading-based revenue, which is the majority of their overall revenue, was from a meme coin, okay, Dogecoin. And again, you may argue whether or not you think Doge has tangible value and fundamental value and staying power, but still, investors at large scales do not feel safe if the majority of a company's revenue is coming from Dogecoin. But as I've been saying a lot, just in regard to Robinhood isn't going anywhere. Vlad is, in my opinion, definitely a little more sus than Brian Armstrong. Do not like him as much as a CEO. That's just my personal opinion, as I do Brian Armstrong. But Robinhood is one of the most probably relevant technology companies on the planet. And when it comes to Robinhood, again, it's still early days. Robinhood is still such a young company, but it's a beautiful product. It obviously matters. Brand, it has one of the best brand. It has the best brand, hands down, in the brokerage platform landscape. Probably in the financial landscape, Robinhood is one of the most powerful brands in this landscape, which it becomes increasingly more important over time. You guys know I believe that, and I feel like that has to be objectively true. That's an objective truth, that brand matters more and more every single day that passes, okay? So Robinhood, powerful brand, powerful user base in the financial landscape. And as we move forward, Robinhood is going to find ways to adapt. Right now, trading volumes and selling order flow, that's actually how Robinhood makes money off of that trade, off of what is called trading income in this article. They sell order flow to large high frequency traders, okay? So that's how they actually make money. But over time, Robinhood is going to find ways to diversify their portfolio. They're going to they're probably going to buy Ether. They're probably going to invest in lending. They have a solid balance sheet. If they throw a few billy into Ether, into lending products, into investments on their balance sheet, that'll grow it. Just take the classic MicroStrategy approach. Do that. You can also branch out. You can make a social platform. You can do so many things as long as you have that user base. Okay, and Robinhood has the user base. They have the user growth. Their user growth is staggering. The same argument can be made for Coinbase. These are software applications with a shitload of users, and that is unlikely to slow down at any point in time in the near future, okay? So both these companies, super bullish long term. And again, any pullback, again, I bagged up on Hood on that pullback. And I mean, at $50 billion, it's sub 50 billion. I think Robinhood's now just around floating around $40 billion market cap. Cheap, super cheap, okay? In my opinion, not financial advice, but it's cheap. Okay, so let's close it out with Crypto Decoded. Second largest U.S. mortgage lender will accept payment in Bitcoin. Key points. United Wholesale Mortgage announced plans this week to accept cryptocurrency for home loans in an apparent first for the national mortgage industry. The company hopes to start accepting Bitcoin in Q3 and is currently weighing other digital currencies like Ether. Shout out Ether once again. Starting later this year, U.S. homebuyers will have the option to pay for their mortgage in Bitcoin. United Wholesale Mortgage, which made its public debut in January via a special purpose acquisition. Good old Spacky merger announced plans this week to accept cryptocurrency for home loans in what is being billed as a first for the national mortgage industry. This quote from the CEO: "We've evaluated the feasibility and we're looking forward to being the first mortgage company in America to accept cryptocurrency to satisfy mortgage payments." CEO Matt Ishbia said in the company's second quarter earnings call on Monday, quote, "That's something that we've been working on, and we're excited that hopefully in Q3 we can actually execute on that before anyone in the country because we are a leader in technology and innovation." So, shout out to these guys. Shout out to the CEO. They know where the world's going. Again, at this point in time, you either are too late, you're late to the party, and you have that bias against a blooming industry because you were late and you didn't get to partake, or you're just old and you don't get it. Okay, so shout out to these guys. This is huge. This is the obvious direction that everything is heading, and they're adapting to the times. They're the first ones. Let's hope like Rocket Mortgage follows. Let's hope some of these large mortgage lenders and just large players in different areas of the market. Like, it'd be sick if like used car, like some car, I don't know what, like cars.com or something, Carvana, one of those sites started accepting Bitcoin and stuff. And I truly believe it's only a matter of time. Okay, so it's cool that they're doing Bitcoin. Definitely cool that they're looking into Ether as well. And again, it's just a sign of the times. It's a sign of where the world's heading and a sign that cryptocurrency isn't freaking going anywhere. Okay, so we'll call it there, you guys. Are we at 50K? No, we're below 49K again. But you guys, I'd almost be surprised, and I'd be a little disappointed because I've been hyping it up so much. But I hope and I trust that by the time you guys are watching this, Bitcoin is at 50K. So call it there, you guys. Cheers to that. Cheers to the weekend. I'll talk to you guys downstairs in the comments below. Talk about literally anything you want. Again, let me know what you're drinking. Let me know what you think about crypto. Let me know if you're invested in Coinbase and Robinhood for the long term. I'll catch you guys downstairs in the comments. Until next time, take action. Make waves. Cheers, guys.